How to change pitch and key in Voloco. Want your vocal to hit the right tone or sound higher or deeper? Let's learn how to change pitch and key in Voloco like a pro. Open Voloco app and tap plus button. Select record audio or import audio from your device. Choose a beat or go no beat. Then record your voice or load your file. Once your track is ready, you will see the preset options at the bottom. Tap the slider or gear icon and look for key and scale settings. Set the key as you want and scale to match your song or the instrumental you are using. This ensures autotune works perfectly. Want your vocal to sound higher or deeper? Look for pitch shift or transpose in the same settings. Slide right for a higher pitch. Slide left for a deeper voice. Preview as you adjust for the best sound. After setting pitch and key, apply a preset like hot tune or natural tune. Happy with the result? Tap continue, then hit save or publish your track with the world. And boom! Your vocal now hit every note and sound exactly how you want. If this helped you level up your vocal, smash the like button, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment. Subscribe for more music app hacks. Catch you in the next one.